Welcome back to the Quiz Fire. Can you solve all 40 general knowledge questions? Don't forget to subscribe and let's go. What is the speed of light? Who is known as the King of Pop? In which sport would you perform a slam dunk? Who directed the movie Inception? What is the term for a fear of spiders? Who is considered the father of sociology? What is the study of human societies and cultures called? What is the main ingredient in bread? What is the highest court in the United States? What is the most spoken language in the world? What does GPA stand for in education? Who designed the Eiffel Tower? Who is known as the father of modern journalism? What is the study of plants called? What is the term for a market characterized by rising prices? Which country has the largest military by active personnel? What is the deepest part of the world's oceans? What does 2020's vision mean? What does a barometer measure? Who is the author of the Harry Potter series? Which element has the atomic number 1? What is the longest river in the world? What is the hardest naturally occurring mineral? Who is known as the father of computers? Which scientist developed the theory of evolution by natural selection? What is the most widely consumed alcoholic beverage in the world? Which country is the largest producer of coffee? What is the currency of the United Kingdom? What is the term for animals that eat only plants? Which element is commonly known as quicksilver? What does RAM stand for in computing? What is the largest continent by land area? What is the study of fossils called? Who was known as the Queen of Soul? What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Who wrote the Divine Comedy? What is the main ingredient in guacamole? What does GDP stand for? What does CPU stand for? What does CAD stand for in engineering? Thanks for watching the video, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to get more videos.